Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna practice traffic light turning, especially left turn at the traffic light. I am with Miss Sadia. How are you? Saida. Sorry. Saida. How are you, Saida?
I'm fine.
So you are practicing with us.
Yes.
You improve very well. So we need to improve as well. Traffic turning at the traffic light. So guys, before you start, please subscribe our channel and like our videos. You guys supporting us, we are so grateful. Also please subscribe our channel as well. So are you ready now?
Yep,
So
I'm ready.
okay, let's go. So before you go in and signal, mirror and blind spot. Okay, let's go. So now turn left. So there is no designated turning lane here. Okay, this lane can go straight and can turn left. So there is a green arrow there. So you have a right of way.
Yep.
So when the green arrow is gone, but you already involved turning, and you can continue for your turning. Okay. So after that, change your lane to the right by yourself. Mirror, signal, and blind spot. And turn. Change your lane to the right by yourself. Yeah. Examiner won't tell you.
Okay.
Yeah. At the traffic light, turn left. So left signal, mirror, blind spot. Perfect. There is a white broken line here. So check blind spot again. Enter from here. Here. You are late.
Yeah.
Okay, go middle. So now stop. Okay. So as long as you are going to middle and green light, turn yellow and red. So what you're gonna do at this time? Stop. If it is safe. So it was safe. How do you know it's safe? Because your speed is not so high. Your speed was low.
Okay.
That's why you are able to stop.
Okay.
And you stopped. Good. You stop, I stop.
No.
Me stop you, right? You didn't stop. I stop you. So it's going to be green arrow. Look at there. Green arrow, it's your right of way.
Yeah.
Check both sides, then check blind spot left, go middle, then go. Okay. Good job. At the traffic light, turn left. You don't like blind spot,
No.
Saida. You have to love blind spot. Okay, go middle. Go. You can wait in the middle and make straight. Don't turn the wheel. Make straight.
Okay.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Then go. Turn.
No, I cannot.
Go please. Go. Go please. Go please. You're stuck in the middle.
Oh, okay. So if it's on red, then I have to go as well, right?
Yes. No,
Okay.
because you are waiting in the middle, right?
Middle, yeah.
So if you are waiting in the middle, then light turn yellow and red. So
I have to go.
chi corcio.
I have to go.
You have to
Got
go.
it.
At the traffic light, turn left. Because you cannot wait in the middle, right?
Yeah.
If you
what
wait
I
in the
was
middle,
confused about.
you are blocking other traffic.
Yes.
Then they're gonna send you their love beep, lovely beep, and lovely words. You know that. Which kind of word I'm talking about? We have a lot of aggressive drivers, and yeah. So here, guys, so we don't have advanced green. So we have only green light here.
So
Okay.
you have to go and wait.
Go middle. Look at left side. Clear.
Yeah.
Turn. So you don't need to wait. Oncoming traffic and pedestrian side is clear, and you can turn. So green light. If there is no car, no pedestrian, you can turn. So turn left. Don't hit the car, please.
No, I will not hit.
Thank you. But you are late.
Yeah, I was late.
Yeah. slowly. Okay. Look at oncoming traffic.
Mm-hmm.
So there is no oncoming traffic. There is oncoming traffic.
Yep.
Wait in the middle. Wait for him. Don't turn the wheel.
Mm-hmm.
Check blind spot. Then go. No car, no pedestrian. Then you can turn. So when you turn,
I
here.
will change the
Yes.
lane on my own.
Yes. Good job. Your speed is 30. 30 speed. 30 kilometer speed. You cannot change it 30. You have to increase the speed and change lane. So at the traffic light, turn left. So get ready for the left lane. Ki corcho. What are you doing? Why you are using brake? Check blind spot again. You can enter from here. That's okay. Enter. If there is a traffic, you don't need to enter at the white
line.
broken. You can enter early. So I learned only one sentences from Bengali. Ki korcho. Is correct?
Yeah,
How's my pronunciation?
that's good.
It's good? Okay.
Why the police car is behind me?
Police car loves you. Okay, let's go. Check both sides, check blind spot. Turn. Hand over hand. Release. Yeah. Here. Okay. Then go straight. But police car is still behind you.
Yeah,
Maybe you are doing mistake.
yeah.
So at the traffic light, turn left.
Why this car is coming?
Left signal. Over shoulder check. Enter from here. That's okay. Go to middle. So go middle.
Yep, I'm
Wait.
going.
Then turn. Turn please. Turn. Turn.
Okay.
You know why?
The signal
Tell-
was red.
Yes, signal turn to the yellow and red.
Yeah.
That's why you have to turn, no matter. You have
When
to
I'm
wait,
just going to the middle, I have to turn at any point.
but wait for the last car, right?
Yeah.
So wait for the last car. Last car must stop. Even you have right of way. Sometimes people they don't stop. Turn left. So there is no green arrow. Go middle. Is there anyone coming?
No.
Check blind spot. Look at right. Turn. Yeah. Release. Perfect. So if the light is green, if there is no car, and you can turn. So turn left at the light. And check blind spot is better. So its light is green. Turn yellow and red, and you have to stop before the white line. So in this traffic light, we don't have advanced green,
Yeah.
right?
We have to go to middle and wait if there is any traffic.
Yeah, if there is incoming traffic, then we have to wait. If there is no incoming traffic, we can turn after looking, checking blind spot.
Mhm.
Pedestrians or vehicles, so we have to clear. We have to give them right of way for oncoming. So let's go now. So one pedestrian is crossing. Also there are multiple cars coming. So look at pedestrian is gone. Other car is coming. It's clear now. Let's go.
Yep.
Take. If the distance is safe, take it. So you got it?
Yep, I got it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. So Sadia, she got it. I will test her now. So I will not ask her anything. Let's see how she's doing. You got it or not? No. Just joking. You got it. You got it. Yeah.
I got it, but I'm not implementing it.
Yes. At the traffic light, turn left. Okay, perfect. So at the traffic light, turn left again. So you turned at the green without nothing, without waiting. Yeah, that's great. again same thing. Green light, there is no car, no pedestrian, then you can do. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our video and like our videos. We are making videos for you guys. Please support us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All the best in your exam. So see you on the next video.